Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair of your Dyson SV17, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx T10 screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Safety first, unplug your vacuum cleaner before starting any work. Step 1. Begin by removing the bin from the vacuum. Press the release button and pull the bin away from the main body. This will expose the screws that hold the cover in place. Step 2. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the top cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover away. Step 3. Next, locate the motor. It will be connected by several wires. Carefully disconnect these wires, ensuring you note where each one connects. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without commitment. Step 4. Remove the screws that hold the motor in place using the Torx T10 screwdriver. Once these screws are out, gently lift the motor from the base. If it seems stuck, check for any remaining screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Step 5. With the motor removed, inspect the ring and rail. If they appear damaged, they will need to be replaced as well. Remove the screws that hold the ring, then carefully detach it from the vacuum. Step 6. Once the ring is removed, inspect the rail. If necessary, remove it by locating and unscrewing any screws that secure it. This process may require some finesse, so take your time. Step 7. Now, it's time to clean the internal components. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any dust and debris inside the vacuum. This ensures optimal performance once you replace the parts. After cleaning, set the new motor in place, aligning it with the existing screws. Step 8. Reconnect the wires to the motor, ensuring each one is connected to the correct terminal. If you don't have the tools for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Step 9. Secure the motor back in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is tightly fastened to prevent any vibrations during use. Step 10. Reattach the ring and secure it with screws. Once everything is back in place, put the top cover back on and reinsert the screws. Step 11. Finally, reattach the bin to the vacuum. Your Dyson SV17 is now ready to use. If at any point you feel uncertain about the process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect before you proceed. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the motor, ring, and rail of your Dyson SV17, ensuring it runs like new. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.